Hello everyone, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2, Mulberry, chapter number 1, topic The Magic Porridge Pot, part 3. Children, in this video we will do exercise work. This video is prepared by Ritu Bishramola. Hope you all are good and safe at your home. So children, let's start grammar time. The names of people, place, animal or things are naming words. Naming words are called nouns. So let's start one and many. As we know, naming words can be one or many. If a naming word ends in Y letter, we change it from one to many by replacing Y letter with IES. For example, LADY lady becomes LADIES. So children, change the following word from one to many. One is given cherry, CHERRY, cherry. We'll change it into many. Then we will write CHERR. By replacing Y letter, we will write IES. Similarly, puppy. We'll replace Y letter with IES. Then we will write puppies. Story, stories. Country, countries. City, cities. Children, let's do special or exact names. Special names are called proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Read this sentence. Once upon a time, there was a girl called Poppy. So here girl is common and Poppy is a special name of a girl. So let's write a special name for each thing on the list given below. Remember to use a capital letter. So children, write your first name, your last name, the name of your school, the name of city you live in, the name of your country. Draw lines to pair the common name and the special name. Children, on the left hand column, we have here common names, cartoon, city, textbook, building, elephant. On the right side given special name. So match with the correct common name with the special name. So here cartoon is common name and special name is Mickey Mouse. Next common name is city and the special name is New Delhi. Textbook and special name is Mulberry. Next is building. Building is common and exact name is Taj Mahal. Next is given elephant. Exact name is Jumbo. Children, things that we can count are called countable nouns. Example, book we can count, books also we can count, cat we can count, and cats also we can count. So the things that we can count are called countable nouns. Things that we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. The things we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Example, sugar we cannot count, water we cannot count, milk and grass we cannot count. Children, look at the picture and complete the table. Here, given two pictures and we have two columns. Things that we can count, write in A column. Things that we cannot count, write in B column. Children, things that we can count, kite we can count. In this picture, trees we can count, girl we can count, shoes we can count. Children, things that we cannot count, sunshine we cannot count, grass we cannot count, raindrops we cannot count, clouds we cannot count. Children, let's do spelling. Adding an S or ES. Things that we can count can be one or many. We can change the things we can count from one to many. Examples, bus, buses, dog, dog. Children, we add S to most words to change them from one to many. Examples, book, books, key, keys, tree, trees. Children, we usually add ES to words that end in S, SH, X or CH to change them from one to many. Example, BOX, box. Here in the last letter is box. S, X. If we want to change in many, then we will add ES or we will write boxes, bush, bushes, dress, dresses, peach, peaches. So children, we cannot change the things that we cannot count from one to many. So children, let's do exercise 1. Circle the words we cannot count. Children, here is given some things, name of the thing that we cannot count. Circle that word and add an S or ES to change the words we can count from one to many. Then write them in your notebook. So see, here is given water. Water we cannot count. Air we cannot count. Rice we cannot count. Sugar we cannot count. Food we cannot count. Milk we cannot count. And salt we cannot count. So children, let's change from one to many things we can count. So glass, glasses, cake, cakes, dish, dishes, table, tables, bench, benches, rabbit, rabbit, shoe, shoes, flower, flower. So these things we can count. Children, use the picture clue to complete the word. So first picture is B-O-O-K-S, books. Next B picture is F-O-X-E-S, foxes. Next C picture is H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. Our D picture is brushes. So write down B-R-U-S-H-E-S. E picture is crayons. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. F is tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. Children, I hope you understood all these exercises. Homework time. Complete these exercises in your book and practice it.